This is Tweetie. In the description below we have several links and we have quite a few playlists for you. Today we're talking about food and we're going to specifically talk about rice. The best way to cook rice is to fill a container with water to the amount of rice you would like. So if you want 2 cups of rice, that means you're putting in 1/2 a cup of rice into 2 cups of water. Get the water boiling first, pour in your rice, put a lid on it and let it sit. It will take anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes depending on what way you're using it to cook. Experiment with it, figure it out yourself, because if you use your sun oven, you're going to be a lot less on top of it because you can't overcook in the sun oven. Anyway, if you enjoyed these tips, give us a thumbs up. If you want more tips of all kinds of prepping, subscribe. God bless. Have a wonderful day. Angels all around. Bye.